Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to remove default clothes in Roblox avatar. So first, you're going to go to your browser and you're going to go to Roblox. Then you're going to log in into your account. And once you're here in the interface, you want to go here to the top left corner where you'll be able to see the three line option. Then you want to scroll down and go to avatar. And from here, you'll be able to see how your avatar looks like. And as you can see, I am wearing all of the default clothings since this is a new account. And over here at the right side, you'll be able to see all of the clothings that are in your inventory. And you'll be able to see that the default clothes has a check mark at the top, which means that you are wearing them. So in order to remove the default clothings, you're simply going to click on them to uncheck them, so that your avatar will unwear all of these default clothings. Then you can just go through your inventory and check all of the clothings that you can pair, and whichever you'd like to wear, you're simply going to click on it as well, so that your avatar will wear that. Then over here at the top, you can also just go through the category in order to check all of the clothings that you have based on which you want to wear. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.